As is now the end of January 2024, we're all expecting the much awaited update for the DJI Air 2S for the C1 label update. Now this update will allow us to have the C1 label application so we can fly in the A1 category and also use remote ID in this drone as well. But apparently EASA are making it a little bit difficult for DJI, and we're going to talk about that right now. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys, and we're going to be talking about the Air 2S update that we should be getting from DJI. Now, this has now been delayed. It's been delayed until March. And thanks to a subscriber who actually informed me, actually this morning I woke up and got a message from this subscriber informing that it's going to be delayed until March. So I actually reached out to DJI and asked them what they were going to say about this, and I got a message from DJI back, and they were actually quite informative. And the message actually said, "Hi there, the application for the C1 class identification label is expected to be supported in March 2024, and the exact date is to be determined by the dedicated EU authority." Well, that just means that EASA are not letting them do it at the moment, so I assume that there's a couple of things that have to be, let's say, ironed out. Maybe it's to do with the decibels of the motors, or there's a couple of other things as well. Maybe it's the let's say remote ID as well. So there's a few things that's not there. So we were expecting this, and we were hoping to have this update by the end of January. But as of now, it's not going to happen until March. And even if that happens, because it could well be that DJI don't actually have the ability to meet the standards that actually EASA want to have for this drone. So what do you think? I'm a bit skeptical that this is going to happen by March, but I do hope that I'm wrong. But we certainly need to get this update coming in for this drone, because it's a mighty fine drone for its size and its weight and its ability, especially with the SDK, as I've said in previous videos, which you can look at here. So what do you think? Please let me know, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, especially like this so we can get this out to everyone, because I think everyone's expecting this update to be here. I know I've been checking almost every day to see if the update is here, but it never arrived. But again, thanks to the subscriber who really let me know about this. I much appreciate it. Anyway, we'll see you on the next video, and fly safe.